I made $183,000 in the past month with meme coins, even though Solana is dipping at the moment, as you can see on screen. So make sure to keep watching because I'm gonna show you the step by step on how to do it. I spent months on months grinding meme coin trades every single day, and I just kept getting rugged for every single coin I put money into. For example, this one right here, it just got rugged. If I open this coin, it got rugged. This coin, it got rugged 2 times, man, 2 times. But now I switched to a new strategy. Now I can turn $100 to $500, and sometimes I can even make thousands every single minute. And I just keep repeating this process every single time. And that is exactly how I've been stacking cash insanely quick. The secret is to stop trading meme coins and to start making them. Everyone at the top is doing it, and us regular people cannot afford to miss out on this gold mine opportunity. The concept of launching meme coins is extremely easy. Basically, we create and launch a coin, and once the market cap gets high enough, we simply just remove the liquidity and we get away with thousands of dollars. But of course, this video is for educational purposes only, to show you how it works. Obviously, do not copy me if you are already rich, but if you are poor, just simply copy me and make thousands. Now, first of all, the first step is to actually create and launch your own meme coin. You do not want to use Pump.Fun because it is too saturated, and if you make your coins on this DEX, you will not get any buyers, okay? And that's why you have to make your coins on launchtoken.Fun, because here you get your coins launched on the Radium DEX, which will get a much higher market cap, and there is no coding required. And I can even prove that to y'all if you do not believe me. So if I come to my photon and I go on trending, look, I have no filters. If I go on the Radium DEX, look at the market caps of million, 5 million, 3 million, 60,000, 35,000, 7 million. And if I compare that to the Pump.Fun DEX, just look at the horrible market caps, 5k, 5k, 3k, 14k, 14k, okay? Now, the point I'm trying to make is that you have to be making coins on launchtokens.fun because you will get way more buyers and you will maximize your profits. Now, here you can create your own coin by pulling the token name, token symbol, and token image. So, for example, if Elon Musk or Trump tweeted, well, you just simply come here and make a coin. But if you are lazy like me and you want to make some money quick and fast and just repeat it every single time with no marketing required, you can come to the copy trending coins feature right here, and you can duplicate any coin you want. So every single coin here is proven to get buyers, and it is pumping and trending at the moment. So I'm going to duplicate the Nagano on Soul coin because it has 600 replies and a 25k market cap. So you're basically guaranteed to get buyers since the narrative is extremely good. So I'm going to create coin. After that, your wallet will pop up, go inside of it, then, okay, a warning will pop up, but this is completely normal and secure, okay? Just proceed, then do confirm. I understand, confirm, and then your coin is being created shortly. Just be, like, patient. Okay, it popped up. Now, copy a token address and click on create liquidity pool. Here select your coin, it's already selected. Here select your Solana balance, and the amount token A right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you are giving out to the public. So click on max for 1 billion coins, and here the amount token B will be the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. You are not losing this money since you will be the first buyer inside your coin, so you have nothing to lose, okay? Now I like to put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. For the sake of the video, I'll just put 0.5 because that is what I'm comfortable with, and then you can click on create pool. My bad if I'm speaking a bit fast, I'm just trying to go through the steps really quick. But yeah, then do confirm, then do refresh. Okay, as you can see, it popped up. You're already 8% in profit, so now you can click on view on Photon. And now your coin is live. Let me go on a lower time frame. Okay, as you can see, it's dipping a bit, but it is just a start. Just wait a bit of seconds and you will get some buyers. Oh my god, okay, as you can see, Okay, now it's getting traction. The coin is now gaining traction, so now we are printing. Let's fucking go. Okay, it is shooting up. Come on. Oh my god. Let's go. Oh my god, it's pumping, it's pumping. Let's go, it's pumping. Let's go, it's pumping. Come on, push higher. It's pumping even higher. Oh crap, now it's zipping a bit. Oh no, I should have removed the liquidity. Crap. Okay, once it pushes to like 750, I'm gonna remove the liquidity. Oh my god. Okay. Yo, it's okay. No, yo, this shit is gonna moon. Okay, now I think I might remove the liquidity before everyone sells. So come back to launchtoken.Fun. Click on the minus button. Oh yeah, by the way, if I click refresh. Oh my god, so much profit. Click on the minus button. Do 100% remove the liquidity. Come on, please confirm. And boom, you just remove the liquidity, and that's how you make a shit ton of money off launching meme coins. Okay, so if I open my Phantom wallet, okay, I want to prove that this shit actually works. As you can see, $447 is in your Solana balance. I think I had like $200 at the beginning, so I made around $250 in a couple seconds off one meme coin launch. Imagine you make 5 coins every single day, 10 coins, 20 coins. You can make so much money, bro. I have people in my Discord and in my Telegram channel that are making thousands of dollars every single day using launchtokens.fun. You can make so much money, bro. Like, comment, subscribe to join the 5 Solana giveaway. And yeah, bro, bye. Have a good day.